Is the metaverse just a gaming? The concept of the metaverse has been gaining traction in recent years, with many companies from various sectors claiming to be building their own versions. In reality, these platforms are nothing more than a 3D virtual space with some metaverse elements. Simply put, they just embrace the metaverse, not own it. The Metaverse Foundation is based on a 3D virtual space with a time axis that includes interaction design, IXD, between humans and things. MetaWorld, MetaSpace, is the virtual space that exists in the metaverse. And we use its name to distinguish it from other virtual worlds or virtual spaces. MetaWorld is not a static virtual space. It will continue to develop into a mature world as it grows and evolves over time. To be more specific, MetaWorld is the metaverse artificial life form that can think and evolve. We'll explore this claim further in another video. While gaming and social media platforms have been at the forefront of metaverse development, there are other fields that could benefit from its potential. In this video, we will explore 3 waves of metaverse development beyond gaming and social media.